Pernito, that's the and that's yun. Siyempre matapang ka sa karayong. Pag matapang ka sa karayong, no pain, no gain nga ika. So eto nga yung karayong. Pag matapang ka sa karayong, this one is no pain, no gain. It's not really pain. Oh, di ba? Oh, parang kinigat ka lang ng langgam. O parang nagpatuli ka lang ba? So right now, this one is almost like, I think 500cc mo Jabber Cat. So eto na. Di ba pag matapang ka sa karayom, ika nga, walang sakit. Walang aray. So, ilalagay ni Doc yung glutathione na gamot. Siyempre mo Jabber Cats, we need this one. Siyempre, pag gusto mo tanong, just leave a comment down below. Yan, and then ang gamit nito, gonna put in there yung gamot. It's really good. So this on the process almost like 15 minutes. Okay. Eto na siya. Just want to don't forget some for right in here. Eto na. Just if you feel like it's the same to get off with oxygen, of course, the dextrose and of course they call it like an IV. So, nilagay nila lang yung gamit glutathione. So right in here, you know, like that. And of course, this one is a lot of yes po, Jabber Cats, magandang gabi, umaga po sa inyo lahat. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is your Green Angel na to share my story. Today, very special day. Dahil araw ng ating pahinga, just all we do is I'm gonna go to the clinic na papaglutatan tayo. Diba? Marami na rin tao. Ikaw rin naka-experience mo na ba ang glutathione trip? And of course, right in here in Korea. And of course, I'm gonna show you around. Once again, merhaba sa Vende. And of course, ohay gozaimasu, domo arigato. At saka, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, sa lahat mo mga kapampanay, paljo po, kaya ko man, yes, I get my protein powder, and because after that, pagkatapos ko mag-glutathione drip, and of course, dahil araw ng ating pahinga, we gonna go in the gym, yes. Ito lang ang ating hobby because like sometimes we're getting old, and we need supplement inside our body. Syempre, hindi lang yan pang puti, mahal kong kaibigan. So, tara na. So, that's why, look at the beautiful weather outside is a little bit like, not too hot and of course not too cold. And of course, it's a little bit cold kasi September na. Pag September, pagkatapos ng September is October, November, December, January. At talagang winter at malamig na. So today is pupunta nga tayo and I show you around. Pasyal muna kita, mahal kong kaibigan. Alam mo ba, the glutathione is a lot of benefits inside our body and hindi lang antioxidant. And I like the benefits because to our internal organs because we work and of course tumatanda na tayo. Yes, kailangan natin ng ating sarili. So eat healthy food, vitamins at saka exercise pag may time. Yes, eto na naman ako ay nag-voice over. Yes, and I think because my microphone, I thought it was working, so binas over ko ulit. Ito makikitanda lang ako, mahal kong kaibigan, right in here to my favorite building, to my favorite villa. Wow, it's really good every time I went in here and I love, and that's my dream, yung merong magandang pintuan. Well, go to the floor. And of course, it's a beautiful day. Maganda ka pa sa day. During the time we work, and of course, we need to be strong, patience, at saka humble, at saka brave. And of course, sa mga breadwinning award, magandang gabi po umaga sa iyong lahat. Siyempre, mula dyan sa Spain, Barcelona, Spain, and of course, Madrid International Airport. Kumusta po kayo lahat sa ating mga lovely friend dito sa bansang Korea, sa mga EPS, sa mga OFW. The breadwinning award goes to you. Kapagod pala, no? Kapagod mag voice over, but it's alright. We never tired to share my story, our story, your story, and of course dito sa aking vlog, ikaw lagi ang bida. Likewise on my Facebook page, ikaw lagi ang bida. Yes, I'm gonna walk around and show you walk around. And of course, andito na ako sa underpass. It's really good and I like this underpass in here. And look at that beautiful lights. At saka paint nilang yellow. It's beautiful. At saka was amazing. At saka ang ganda ng kulay. So right in here, eto na. So I'm gonna show you around. This is the SED. SED is Songtan Entertainment District. Like in the gabi, maraming alimango sa dagat ng agad. I'm only joking, and of course I'll show you around. And look at that beautiful lantern, and look at that beautiful weather. It was so cool for today. Yes, ganun lang ang ating buhay. Pasyal-pasyal lang. And of course, grab your phone and make a video at i-upload mo na sa YouTube. And of course, who knows? Maybe God knows you'll become the most YouTube sensation or sa Facebook page, di ba? And of course, balang araw kasi magiging story na lang ang ating buhay. Simula pa lang ng ating buhay. Simula ng ating pakikipagkarera sa ibang bansa. So, we never tired to share our story. Share your story because someday, this is only our story. Siyempre, eto malapit na tayo and of course, I keep walking down on the street like pretty woman, and of course pretty boy. Eto na, and I'm gonna walking down and walk and walk and walk. You know what, the Korea is the most number one and of in technology and of course in Android and of course mga plastic surgeon. It's really good and of course na malapit na ako and this is my favorite clinic right in here in said Songtan Entertainment District. This one is almost close to the base, also an Air Force Base. Look at that beautiful weather, and of course, look at that beautiful and ambience. Yes, imagine that right in here in Korea, napakadaming Korea. Siyempre sa Japan, maraming Hapon. Right in here, eto, akit na tayo. And it was beautiful and it was lovely. Okay, haba-haba ng prosesyon. Eto na, akit na rin ako. Oh my God, wala akong sawang voice over hanggang marating natin ang ating paroroonan. Wow, such a beautiful and lovely day. Eto na, akit na tayo sa loob. And I hope there's no people in there at makipagdakdakan at makipagchismisan pa rin ako. Oh my God, tapos na rin aking voice over. So, let's find out inside. And let's go! And that's yun. Siyempre matapang ka sa karayom. Pag matapang ka sa karayom, no pain, no gain nga ika. So, eto na yung karayom. Pag matapang ka sa karayom, this one is no pain, no gain. It's not really pain. Oh, di ba? Oh, parang kinikat ka lang ng langgam. O parang nagpatuli ka lang ba? So right now, this one is almost like, I think 560 whatever cut. So, eto na. Di ba, pag matapang ka sa karayom, ika nga, walang sakit. Walang aray. So, ilalagay ni Doc yung glutathione na gamot. Siyempre, whatever, because we need this one. Siyempre, pag gusto mo tanong, just leave a comment down below. Yan, and then ang gamit nito, gonna put in there yung gamot. It's really good. So this on the process almost like 15 minutes. Okay. Eto na siya. Just want to don't forget some for right in here. Eto na. Just if you feel like it's the same thing that you're going to post the dextrose and of course they call this like an IV. So nilagay nila yung glutathione. So right in here, really good. And of course, this one is a lot of benefits. I like it. Siyempre, hindi lang yung anti-aging, hindi lang pang Starbucks ka rin. And of course, the antioxidant here, kasama na yun. And of course, yung kanyang benefits sa internal organs, lalo na nag-guided tayo. And of course, we work in the night time. So ito yung aking journey. Every time that I have a little bit money, but we need to be work hard to earn money para bigay na regalo sa ating katawan. Siyempre, we always inspired, never expired. Saan mo tayo pupunta sa buong mundo? Well, so malapit na tayo matapos. Hindi ko pa. It actually is, this one is mga 15 minutes pa yung procedure nito. Habang ini-wait ko siya, gumagawa din ako ng videos because nag-moment na ako. So, update muna kita at relax muna ako. So, sa'yo. Kumagayin mga Jabber Gods, I fall asleep. That's sort of like relaxing. So, simple magagamit ko na to almost like a 1 week or 2 week if sometimes. Pag may pera, abutin pa na almost like 1 month. Pag lang. But siyempre mga Jabber Gods, siyempre ako rin po yung mamamaalam na mula sa bansang Korea, Nisha, Korean, I never tired to share my story. Sa ating mga followers right in the Facebook page, welcome on board. BCC Doc kasi nag-aalis din siya ng, I think like fats dropping, yung mga fats inaalis din sa katawan. Hindi na natin kailangan. Kailangan natin exercise and eat healthy food, and of course, kailangan natin mag-ingat sa ating katawan. Bawal ang magkasakit. Maraming salamat po sa iyo lahat. Ito na, ang kulit-kulit ko na. Oh my God, mga Dover guys, it's really done. So, medyo natakot ako natakot ako mag-get because like the wall is always falling out and then you might be like supposed to be like this, but I have to learn so deep emotion. So maraming salamat po sa mga of Christ.